All right, I'm here to help, and let me do that quickly. In my previous video that I made on how to backtest your strategies for free using the GoCharting platform over here, which has actually gotten a lot of you interested, about 18,000 views and 222 likes. Yeah, I've had a comment recently which I need to address, and here it is over here. Okay, so from the user, he said, very useful bro, thank you, but I want to know how to change the back color because mine is still stuck on default red green. So quickly, let me take you through how to do that. It's a very simple thing. So let me rush back to my GoCharting platform over here. This is my account. Okay, so you can see this is how I've customized my platform. It's not the default red and green. It's now blue black over here. Now to do this, to change the color, make sure your cursor, all right, the cursor of your mouse, all right, or the mouse pointer, it's on the candlestick over here. If the cursor is on the candlestick, you could see that it will change to a hand-like cursor, right? It will change to like a hand, right? That has a finger pointing up there. So once your pointer is on a candle, what you have to do is just go ahead and double click like this, and this is going to pop up. If you double click any empty area, that is not going to pop up. So make sure your pointer is on a candlestick and double click like this. Once you double click, you can come to the candle color, just change the color over here. By default, yours will be green. So mine is blue. I can change it to, let's say I want to use something like green, a shade of green like this. I'm going to do that, then come to the black color over here too. If I want to change it to let's say something like golden type, I can come here and do that quickly. So let's say I want a color like this, I'll do that, and I'll do the same thing over here as well. Change it to green. Let's say this green. Yeah, I'm just doing some random selection of colors. Let's say this one too. I want a gold that I used earlier. Let's say this one. And the wick of the candle too, let's say I want to use the same green that I used earlier. I'll do that and go to the black, which is also for the wick. I want to use the same gold. I'll do that over here. So as you can already see, you can see that the color of my candles has changed quickly, right? So you can see that the color of the candlestick have changed. So that's how quickly you can change the color or customize your trading platform very easily, apart from the default green and red color. All right, so if this video has been helpful, kindly go ahead and hit that like button, and if there's any requests at all that you want to make, go ahead and leave a comment below and I'll attend to you, because I'm here to help and give you clarification on anything at all that you do not understand. Right, I'll see you in the next video. Bless up.